welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about reverse logistics, and it's a really important if you are a part of logistics, supply chain, or you're doing a study. It's gonna help you in understanding what is reverse logistics. So, reverse supply chain, also referred as reverse logistics, is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the collection of products and packaging post-consumer in order to recover value and optimize potential benefit for the organization. So reverse logistic is known as reverse supply chain. As you know, the main logistic term we heard or like you have been known, that is forward logistic, when you deliver finished good from one place to the another place, means like from company to the user. That is forward logistic. But reverse logistic is when you want to get that product back to the company or back to the manufacturing unit, from consumer to back to the company. And there can be many reasons why you doing the reverse logistic. And in today's time, reverse logistic is very important for the company. And if you know Apple, they are implementing the reverse logistic from a long time. It's helped company in in taking advantage of the goods that they can reuse, remanufacture, repurpose. So there are many things that reverse logistic can help, and mainly reverse logistic is getting good back from the user to the manufacturing unit or to a specific place. So it's opposite of forward logistic. Forward logistic is what? When you deliver good from manufacturing unit to a consumer, and reverse is when consumer to manufacturing unit. Okay, so in reverse logistic, there are many terms that include or that define reverse logistic. One is remanufacturing is rebuild the product with reused and repair or new parts. So means uh, reverse logistics, you gonna when you're going to get good back to the manufacturing, you can use that goods to remanufacture. Before going through it, I will show you a diagram. Maybe you can understand it better. So what I'm talking forward logistic here. See, you see the raw material, then part fabrications, then modules, sub-assemblies, part assembly, distribution, and user. So basically, these are the manufacturing unit. Then the comes point distribution, then the user. It's a forward logistic when you delivering goods to a user. And reverse start when you're getting good back from user to different area of the manufacturing. You can get good backs to reuse or to repair, remanufacture, recycle, or trash. So it's a reverse logistic. And get back to the back point. So with reverse logistic, companies do remanufacturing to use the goods that they're getting from reverse logistic or refurbishment to resale of a return product that has been repaired or verified in a good condition. Servicing, sometimes like a board of categories that include customer service, field service, product returns such as issuance of return merchandise authorization. Servicing means like customer service that going to be a specific customer service for reverse logistic. You can't involve with it another. And then return management, it's really essential. Recycling and waste management, warranty management, and warehouse management. These are some terms that are important if you planning to implement reverse logistic. But the main thing is only here you can understand from this chart. So if you getting good back from user, and first it's also work in the same way. You get good to the user, then it also going in back in the same step. So first, from user to distribution. For distribution, they term it as reuse. Whether it is possible to reuse the same goods, either you can reuse with discount, you're giving discount on that product. If it's not, good enough to reuse, then it goes to repair, where part assembly. In repair, they do some, there will be some defects, and they fix that defects, and then goes back to the part assembly, then distribution to user. If it's not possible to do repair, then remanufacture. It comes to the module subassembly, and in module subassembly, you're gonna use the part, whichever part you're gonna use or like needed for that product to make it possible to work, and then it goes to part assembly, then distribution, then user, then recycle. In recycle, mainly company do, they take out some useful parts of the product, and rest of that they put in the trash. Whatever the useful part that goes to part fabrication is mainly, you can say, the inventory part of the company, and then it goes back to module assembly, part assembly, distribution, and user. So basically, this side from involving user is reverse logistic, this is forward logistic. I hope you understand basic of reverse logistic from this video. In case you have any doubt, then let me know. Thank you so much.